Have your once beautiful houseplants started looking tired, droopy, or lifeless? Yellow leaves, slow growth, and weak stems can make even the healthiest plants appear to be struggling. Before you think about throwing them away, there's good news. Sometimes, all your plants need is a simple nutrient boost. One common kitchen ingredient, used correctly in small amounts, can help improve soil health, encourage stronger roots, and support healthy new growth. While no single ingredient can magically fix every plant overnight, this easy method can give stressed houseplants the support they need to recover. In this guide, you'll learn what to use, how to apply it safely, and which plants benefit the most. 1. The secret spoonful, cinnamon powder. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon is one of the safest natural ingredients for houseplants. Cinnamon contains natural compounds that can help reduce fungal growth in the soil while creating a cleaner environment for healthy roots. Sprinkle about 1 teaspoon evenly over the soil surface of a medium-sized pot. Gently work it into the top inch of soil before watering lightly. This simple treatment is especially helpful for plants recovering from overwatering, minor root damage, or fungus gnats. While cinnamon isn't a fertilizer, it helps create healthier growing conditions, allowing plants to recover more effectively. 2. Why your houseplants become weak. Most struggling houseplants aren't dying from lack of love. They're suffering from poor growing conditions. Overwatering causes roots to rot, while underwatering dries them out. Old, compacted soil prevents oxygen from reaching the roots, and insufficient sunlight slows photosynthesis. Nutrient deficiencies also weaken leaves and stems over time. Before adding any treatment, always check the soil moisture. Inspect the roots if possible, and ensure your plant is receiving the correct amount of light. Fixing these basic issues, combined with a gentle soil treatment like cinnamon, gives your plant the best chance to recover. 3. How to apply it correctly. Using too much of any natural ingredient can do more harm than good. Measure 1 level teaspoon of cinnamon for a pot between 6 and 8 inches wide. Sprinkle it evenly across the soil without piling it around the stem. Lightly loosen the top layer of soil with your fingers or a small fork. Then water just enough to moisten the soil. Repeat only once every 4 to 6 weeks if needed. This method is gentle enough for many indoor plants, while avoiding excessive buildup in the potting mix. 4. Plants that benefit the most. Many popular houseplants can benefit from healthier soil conditions. Snake plants, ZZ plants, peace lilies, pothos, philodendrons, spider plants, rubber plants, and monstera all appreciate clean, well-drained soil. Cinnamon may help reduce minor fungal problems around the soil surface, especially after accidental overwatering. However, remember that each plant has different watering and lighting requirements. Healthy care routines remain the most important factor in long-term success. 5. Mistakes to avoid. Don't assume more cinnamon will produce faster results. Excessive amounts can form a thick layer that interferes with water penetration. Never mix cinnamon into soggy soil without first correcting drainage problems. Avoid using it as a replacement for balanced fertilizer because it provides virtually no essential nutrients. If your plant has severe root rot, pests, or disease, cinnamon alone won't solve the issue. Address the underlying problem first for the best chance of recovery. 6. Extra care tips for faster recovery. After applying the cinnamon treatment, place your plant in bright, indirect light. Allow the soil to dry appropriately between waterings based on the plant species. Remove dead or yellow leaves so the plant can focus its energy on healthy growth. If the pot is root-bound, consider repotting into fresh, well-draining soil. Feeding with a balanced houseplant fertilizer during the growing season will provide the nutrients needed for vigorous new leaves once the plant begins recovering. Reviving struggling houseplants doesn't require expensive products or complicated techniques. A simple teaspoon of cinnamon can help improve soil conditions by discouraging some fungal growth, giving stressed roots a healthier environment to recover. Combined with proper watering, good drainage, adequate light, and regular care, this easy trick can become part of a healthy plant care routine. Remember, healthy plants don't recover instantly, but with patience and consistent care, you'll soon notice stronger leaves, healthier roots, and fresh new growth. Sometimes, one small spoonful really can make a noticeable difference when it's used the right way.